Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to change your wallpaper on an iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and you want to change the wallpaper on your iPhone, I'll show you guys exactly how to do it in this video today. So you can change it on your home screen and your lock screen, so you don't have to worry about looking for another tutorial. But to change your wallpaper, it's pretty easy. You just have to go to your settings first. So to find your settings, you can either swipe down on your screen and search for settings, or you can just go find it in your home or screen. But once you find the settings app, click on it and you'll be brought to your settings page right here. On this settings page, you want to look for the option that says wallpaper. So you can either search it by swiping using the search bar at the top of the settings page, or scroll down until you find wallpaper. Once you find the wallpaper option, click on it and you will be brought to the wallpaper page. On the wallpaper page, there should be a couple options here, but look for the options that says add new wallpaper. If you find the option that says add new wallpaper, you're going to want to click on that. That will allow you to add a new wallpaper. So you can go through here and choose whatever option you want. As you can see, they have a ton of different colors. They have astrology. They have different patterns. You can also choose pictures from your camera roll. But as you can see, you can choose colors or anything you want. You can change the fonts as well. If you click on the numbers at the top, and you can change the colors as well by just clicking on which color you want at the bottom. And you can change the hue of it. You can do whatever you want. So I'll just quickly, let's choose yellow for this one. And then I like this font right here as well. So this looks good. And once you finish choosing your wallpaper, click add in the top right corner. You can also add widgets as well. If you click on the buttons in the right below the time, you can add widgets like messages or anything like that. But once you do that, if you click add in the top right corner, it'll ask you to set as wallpaper pair. You can also change or customize the home screen, so you can change it so that it's a entirely different picture. So you can like go to your camera roll and add a new picture if you want to, or you can just change the hue or color of that screen. As you can see, you can also add them from the camera roll, like I said before. But you can basically do whatever you want here. And once you've customized it to your liking, if you click done in the top right corner, then it will now save your new wallpaper. So as you can see, if I go home, then it will be the new wallpaper. So let me go back real quick. And as you can see, is the brand new orange wallpaper. So if you want to switch between your wallpapers though, if you turn off your iPhone, you'll be brought to your homepage here. And on your homepage, if you hold down on the screen, it'll bring you out of the screen like this. So as you can see a ton of different wallpapers, or all of the wallpapers that you've made. So as you can see, I have 4 wallpapers, and you can just swipe in between through all of them and choose the one that you want at that time. And if you want to delete it, you can swipe up on the wallpaper and there should be a trash can right there. If you click delete, then it'll delete it as well. But that is how you make a wallpaper on an iPhone. So I hope this video is helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. And I'll see you guys next time.